Listen, now as you would have heard at the beginning of this recording, you would have heard a gang stalker's dog and gets wound up by the gang stalkers. Even when I'm walking past it, it starts barking. It's a beautiful little dog as well. It looks like a fox. But I'm seriously thinking about poisoning it, throwing in a cookie with rat poison in it. Listen, this dog goes off from 6 in the morning to 11 o'clock at night and it stops. It's like it's on energized Duracell batteries. It's like a programmed robot. Just listen to this. Right, I'll put on pause now. Goodbye guys. Thank you for listening.